this is tight. Wow. Hey friends, Dale here, 3 Generations. This is a continuation from the video I posted about a week ago with the tractor that doesn't want to run. It will start after it's cold, run a little while, and then dies. And so I bought a new filter for it, a fuel line filter that goes here into the carburetor from Steiner Parts, Steiner Tractor I guess it's called, and it came in earlier this week, and this is the first I had a chance to get to it. So anyhow, let's see what happens. I'll put this on, and hopefully this will take care of it. All right, you can't see it, but I could, when I looked at this last week, the mesh here is pretty much all plugged, except for just about 1/4 of an inch there at the front end of it. So anyhow, let's oh yeah, I can see right through this. I can see right through the mesh on this one, and it looks pretty much the same. I'm going to say it is. Yeah, alrighty. Ugh. See if I can get it up here to work. It's pretty close. Woo woo. That seems to be going on. Well, I hope I have that lined up good. Alrighty, turn on the gas. We'll see how it's doing. So I turned it on 2 full turns. I'm going to back off on this just a little bit to let the gas since this is gravity flow, I want to make sure this gas comes. Yep, there it is. It's there. Cool. All right, well, let's try starting the baby up. Turn the key. So I changed out the filter. My connection for the gas coming down into that filter, it was cross-threaded a little bit, and so I had to take that apart, and I put a little bit of Teflon tape and I reseated that, and now it's holding. And as you could see, the tractor did start, and so then I once I had that that fitting back together properly, I then opened the gas back up, started the tractor up, and started up right away. And I let it run for, you know, like maybe 10 minutes or something, and it kept running. So I'm, at this point, until I have a chance to run the tractor with a load, I am thinking that this is taking care of it. That filter was so plugged that it would run until it used up all the gas in the carburetor, and then it took it a while to get more gas to drain down in there, and that's why I could start late. But I could be totally wrong, and I don't remember your name. One of the watchers of the video had suggested to look into the coil, and so I'm keeping that in mind once I get once I've run it. Maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure. Today I need to get the grass mowed, so I'll mow grass, and I've got a lot of things going. I need to work on the garden and all kind of good fun stuff. But I'll let you guys know if I have to do something different with it yet. So anyhow, thanks for watching, and blessings. Bye. And you can see the studio is full, watching me film all my ram sheep and our pigs and our not guineas, these are bantams. Bob is the rooster, and we haven't really named the new hen there. But anyhow,